A quiet commuter discovers a forgotten notebook that lists tiny daily acts to spark real change in life. Each page suggests one week-long micro-habits, like writing one gratitude note, walking a mile at dawn, or learning a new word. He tests them bravely, tracking progress with simple marks, noticing confidence blooming as small routines replace old excuses. Soon strangers share their own notes, transforming a crowded train into a moving classroom of growth and mutual encouragement. The notebook becomes a map, showing that personal development blooms from consistent, compassionate choices rather than grand gestures.